In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add glow to any text in Wix. To get started, open your site in the Wix editor, so you can access the page where your text is located. Make sure you are on the correct section of the site before making changes, especially if you have multiple pages or design elements that look similar. This helps you avoid editing the wrong text by mistake and keeps your workflow smooth from the beginning. Once you are in the editor, click directly on the text box you want to customize. After selecting it, choose Edit Text. This will open the text settings for that specific text element and give you access to the styling controls. If nothing happens at first, just make sure the text box itself is selected and not another element nearby, such as a strip, image, or button. Being precise here makes the next steps much easier. In the Text Settings panel, scroll down until you find the Effects section. This area contains visual styling options that can help your text stand out more on the page. Glow effects are especially useful if you want to create a more modern, eye-catching design or make text easier to notice against certain backgrounds. As you browse the panel, take your time and look carefully, so you don't miss the effects area, since it may appear lower in the settings depending on your screen size. When you reach the Effects section, select B or G to apply different glow effects to your text. These options give your text a glowing appearance, and each one creates a slightly different visual result. A good tip here is to look at the text on the actual page as soon as you apply the effect, so you can decide which version fits your design better. Some glow styles may look stronger or softer depending on the font, text size, and background color behind the text. If the glow doesn't look quite right at first, that's normal. The way an effect appears can vary based on the style of your text and the overall layout of the page. Try viewing it in context with the rest of your design so you can choose the option that feels balanced and easy to read. After you've applied the glow effect you like, your text should now have a more polished and attention-grabbing look in Wix. That's all to it. Thanks for watching.